What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Please subscribe down below. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my sound system, and it's pretty cool. I love it so far. I am going to be upgrading some things near the future, probably like in a month or so, but let's check it out. So pretty much everything I bought off of Crutchfield. There's 3 things that I did not buy off Crutchfield. This was Best Buy yesterday, and that 12-inch subwoofer was from Best Buy back in 2014, and the amp down there was from 2014. Now, I was going to show you guys the install of everything, but I started with the speakers first, and from Crutchfield, it gave you adapters to plug and play, pretty much plug and play, but the previous owner, so you can see though, the previous owner clipped the wires so the plug and play wouldn't work. So for all 4 speakers, I had to use connectors. I stripped the wires and connected them and crimped them. But yeah, that was for the wires. Let me show you how I wired it up though. So the USB plug, I have it coming from the head unit all the way down behind here. Not through the glove box, but underneath right here. And I have my Type-C for my Android Autoplay. This does play Apple and Android Auto. The rest of the wires are through the dash. My Bluetooth speakers right here. It's not the greatest, but you know. And then let's check how the wiring is. So come down here. This was broken before, and then this is broken up here too. They just put a button right here, I guess, or something. But I'll show you the engine bay a little bit. So here's the remote wire in the RCA comes through here. I have the power wire under here, which I'll show you first. So there's a plunger right there. So that's where I routed my power wire. Everything is coated in that plastic that came in, so it won't be weathered. And let's go to the engine bay. I'll show you guys. All right. So we have the battery, the side post mounts. I used the vice grip on the post and I tore it out to put the positive and the negative one in, which don't need the negative, but did that. Come over to the fuse box. Everyone routed it through that little plunger right there. For the life of me, I could not get anything through that firewall or whatever through that plunger. So the next best thing, routed the wire all the way down on the side, zip tied. So let's go to the car. I'll show you guys. So you pop this paneling off and you can pick up the carpet, and right here's the plunger. So it comes through right here. I don't want to hit the car. To here. Let me move the car seat. And then pops open right here. There's my kicker, 400 CX-A400.1 into my 12-inch. That's how I routed it, but it looks pretty sweet. Like, just it updates the whole infotainment center up top. Let's go back to it. Let me show you the speakers too. The speakers came with the brackets. Also, you can see inside there. That sounds super clean. Yeah, here it is. Let me show you guys. It also came with a remote, the head unit, but I don't need that. I use it for the volume so far, but the buttons really don't. I don't need anything because I use Android Auto. But let me show you. It came with a Sirius XM plug, but not the tuner. It came with a camera thing, but no camera. So that's why I didn't install the camera yet. But The next video I'm going to be posting will be the audio. This video I want to not get copyrighted, but the next video I'll let it get copyrighted so I can play music for you guys. But yeah, it's pretty snappy. It's a little lag, but like it's not bad. You just set up your stuff. Go back to that. It's pretty nice. So this is the Android Auto. So right here you have Google Maps. It's pretty like dope, like just like a regular brand new car with Google Maps. So then you have your music. Let's go down over here to the box. I'll show you my address, but yeah, everything. Let's go to video games. Hopefully I don't have to download the app on my phone to open that, but I think because it's not colorful on here. But yeah, that's pretty dope. Go back over here to the home screen. You have all this. Go back to Android Auto. Get your maps, Spotify. Pretty much dope. I enjoy it, but I want to say thank you guys for watching. In the next video, I'll link everything down below what I bought for the car. Everything will be linked down on Crutchfield, and if it's on Amazon, I'll put the link down for Amazon. From Crutchfield, everything was plug and play-ish, but yeah, the harness was amazing. That was plug and play. I did have to crimp the wires from the new head unit harness to that, but it's pretty much blue to blue, yellow to yellow, red to red, stripe to stripe, so it's pretty much easy for that. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.